Good morning, students. Standard 5 and mathematics. We had already finished up to 3.1 in our chapter 3, subtraction. So today we are going to do 3.2. Okay. So I'm going to do 3 sums for you and the remaining is for you to do as homework. Okay. Now see children here. The first exercise in the first main says there are 3 numbers. Okay. 21,679 plus 27,428 minus 2,438. So what you are going to do? Are you going to write all the 3 one after the other? No, that will create a confusion. So what you are going to do? You have to see the sign. Okay. So when there is no sign here, that means this is plus. This is plus and this is minus. So we take the first 2 numbers with the same symbol first and we try to add them. Then we will subtract it with the third number. So let us do this one first. So it is 21,679. You're going to place that number right below this. So 8 comes here, 2 comes here, 4 comes here, 7 here and 2 here. So now this is addition. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 carry 1. Okay. 7 plus 1 8, 9, 10. 10 0 carry 1. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry 1. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9 and 2 plus 2 4. 49,107. Okay. Now what you need to do? You need to subtract the third number from this. So this is your A part where you take the first 2 numbers and solve it. Then you go to your B part wherein the answer of your first 2 numbers, that is addition. So that is going to be 49,107 minus 8, 3, 4, 2. Why do I make you write like this? So that you write it according to the place value. So 7 minus 8, is it possible? No, you have to carry, borrow. So when you have to borrow, here there is nothing. So it will come from here. So this becomes 9, okay, and this becomes 17. So now 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. Okay. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. Now this is 0 here. Again what you need to do? You need to borrow. So this becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6 again. Now this 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6 and 4. This is your answer. Got this? This is how you're going to solve it. You take the first 2 numbers first, solve it, then you take the third number and subtract from it. So this is how you're going to get your answer. Now, these 2 sums, I'm not going to solve it completely for you. I'm just going to make a statement like this and give, and you have to solve it. So this question says, Mrs. Anita had 50,000 rupees. How much did she have? We're going to first write the given data. So what is the given data here? Given data. How much did she have? Anita, Mrs. Anita has how much? Has 50,000. Then what she does? She goes to the shop and one second. Rupees 50,000. Let me write it. Rupees 50,000. Okay. Now she goes to the shop and what she does? She first buys TV and for 13,538 and then again she buys refrigerator for 16,990. So what we are going to do? We are going to write TV. How much did she buy it for? For rupees 13,538. That is 13,538. And refrigerator. Okay. Refrigerator. She buys it for 16,000 rupees, 16,990. So if I have to make a statement out of that, something like this, how am I going to do it? I'll just rub it here and show you the statement. So that is a given data. You know that she had 50,000. What she did? She bought TV. TV she bought for 13,538 and then she bought refrigerator for 16,990. So how the statement will be? It will be like this: 50,000, okay, minus 13,538 again minus, because even while buying refrigerator she has to give the money out, right? She's not getting any money, but she's spending all that she has. So now it will be 16,990. Now this is your statement. You can do it in two ways. First, either you can take these two and solve it and then subtract the third number from this, or what you can do, you can take these two, add them up because both are minus minus, and subtract it from this. Any case you do, the answer is going to be right. Okay, either you take the first two numbers, subtract from 50,000 if you subtract this, and whatever answer you get from that, if you subtract 16,990, you are going to get the same answer. Otherwise, if you keep the 50,000 aside and add these two, that is her total expenditure. After adding these two, you can subtract that number from 50,000. Even then you are going to get the same answer. So I leave this up to you. I want to see what method is easy for you and how you are going to do it. So for the question number 3, this is your statement. Okay, let me form the statement for the third one as well for you. Mr. Anand has rupees 15,282. How much he has in the bank? He has in the bank 15,282. What he does? On Wednesday, that is on Wednesday, he is depositing rupees 25,718. He is depositing 25,718 on Wednesday, and then very next day on Thursday he is withdrawing the amount of rupees 30,145. Now they are asking what is his balance. So what you have to write? You have to write given data. What is the given data? Mr. Anand had how much? 15,282 in his bank account. Then he deposited how much? 25,718 on Wednesday, and he withdrew how much? He did the withdraw of rupees 30,145 on Thursday. So I'll make the statement for this here. Okay, so for this is your second question on your second main. So what you're going to write? Write 15,282. So when he is depositing, that is addition. Okay, that means when you go to bank, you deposit the money, it gets added with your number. So you're going to write plus, and you're going to put how much? 25,718. Okay, and while you withdraw, it is taken out of your account, so that is a subtraction. So you're going to put minus sign for that, and you're going to put 30,145. So this is your statement. Okay, in this statement you see that Mr. Anand had 15,282. He deposited on Wednesday 25,718, and he withdrew 30,145 on Thursday. So what is the bank balance? Once you solve this, you will know the current balance of Mr. Anand. Whatever he has in the bank, you will get to know. So I made these statements and I taught you how to solve the statement. So what I want you to do, I want you to solve all the sums that I'm going to give you for homework. Okay, do it correctly. If you have any doubts, if you don't know how to do it, or anything is confusing for you, you can always call me or ask your doubts on WhatsApp. I will definitely help you out. So I'll be sending this 3.2 as your homework. 3.2 whole exercise as your homework, and I want you to attempt it. Okay, because I've taught you addition, I've taught you subtraction. All you got to do is you need to understand the statement and form a proper equation and do it. Okay, so you have to do it completely, and I know you will be able to do it. Any doubts, please call me, please let me know. Okay, so until I see you next class, you remain safe, remain at home. Bye.